Assalamu Alaikum. Ladies and gentlemen, in today's video, we will discuss an important topic: why will women be in hell in greater numbers? This question is often raised, and it is essential to understand it correctly. In this video, we will review the hadiths narrated by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and shed light on the reasons mentioned in detail. First, we will refer to an important hadith of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said that on the Day of Judgment, a greater number of the inhabitants of hell will be women. As he, peace be upon him, said, "I was shown that most of the inhabitants of hell were women." Sahih Bukhari. This statement compels us to think, why is this the case? Is it because women, by virtue of being women, are more deserving of hell? Or are there other reasons behind this? The Prophet, peace be upon him, also explained the cause, as mentioned in another hadith. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said that two faults are found more often in women. They curse frequently, takfurna Allahn. They are ungrateful to their husbands, takfurna alashur. The first reason the Prophet, peace be upon him, mentioned is, they curse frequently. This behavior is often seen in trivial matters, where women, in moments of emotion, curse each other or speak ill. While this may seem like a small matter, the hadith describes it as a significant fault, one that could lead a woman towards hell. The second reason mentioned by the Prophet, peace be upon him, is, they are ungrateful to their husbands. The Prophet, peace be upon him, clarified that if a husband works hard for his wife, spending his time and money for her, the wife should appreciate it. If she is ungrateful, this is a major fault. The Prophet, peace be upon him, even said that if it were permissible to bow down to anyone other than Allah, he would have commanded women to bow to their husbands, in meaning. Another important point here is that in Arabic, ingratitude is called kafr. This means that the original meaning of kafr is ingratitude. A disbeliever is called a kafir because they deny the blessings of Allah and overlook His favors. Similarly, being ungrateful to one's husband is akin to being ungrateful to Allah, and this can lead a woman towards hell. In another hadith, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said that if a husband calls his wife to bed and she refuses, the angels curse her all night. Abu Dawud. This hadith indicates that not fulfilling the rights of the husband is a serious matter. The Prophet, peace be upon him, did not attribute the higher number of women in hell to a lack of worship, but instead pointed to faults in their social behavior. These include frequent cursing and being ungrateful to their husbands. Both of these matters are related to rights of people, hukuk al-ibad, which hold more importance than optional acts of worship. Here is an important message for women. The Prophet, peace be upon him, identified two faults that can lead to hell: avoiding cursing and avoiding ingratitude towards one's husband. If you take care of these two matters, then, God willing, you will be safe from hell. Additionally, it should be remembered that Islam has also declared women deserving of paradise. Lady Fatima, may Allah be pleased with her, is the leader of the women of paradise. Therefore, it should not be understood that women are destined for hell by force, but rather, it is the result of their actions. May Allah protect all of us from these faults and give us the ability to avoid the actions that lead to hell. Ameen.